this video, we will explain the benefits of operating a Parkland Agro-Master Bale Accumulator. But first of all, how does it work in tandem with a baler? In simple terms, after removing the existing bale chute from the rear of the baler, the accumulator is fixed rigidly to it and runs on caster wheels, enabling the accumulator to travel in direct alignment with the tractor and baler. Then, when the bale falls out the back of the baler, it trips a paddle which moves the bale to the right, the next bale to the left. This sequence is repeated until the accumulator is either full or manually ejected by the operator on the headland. This model, the 455, has the ability to carry up to 5 bales of any height, for example, 70, 90 or 120 by 120. So let's examine the 3 main benefits of the bale accumulator a little closer. There is an increasing demand from farmers for controlled traffic. Here you can see a typical example of controlled traffic where the baler and accumulator run along the same wheelings as the combine harvester. The only other tracks you can see are from the corn carts as they collected grain from the combine. This system means there's no need for other traffic in the centre of the field, and the bale carting crew can work solely along the headlands. The Agro-Master 455 gives the baling outfit capacity to travel from headland to headland in some of the largest fields, achieving the goal of controlled traffic. The second benefit of operating an accumulator is efficiency. Quite simply, employing a Parkland Bale Accumulator with your baler is the most efficient system for clearing bales and maintaining straw quality from field to stack. The third benefit is the savings it can make. Operating a Parkland Agro-Master Bale Accumulator will save you money on time, fuel, and wear and tear on your machinery. It may sound too good to be true, but here's a simple demonstration. During the baling operation, 64 bales were accumulated to the headland on 2/3 of this field, and 32 bales were dropped the conventional way in singles across the remaining third of the field. When it came to clearing the bales from the field, the difference between the two baling methods was very apparent. So the accumulated bales took just over 9 minutes to load onto a trailer, opposed to the single baled collection system which took 20.5 minutes to stack and load. In simple terms, that means it is possible to load 2 trailers of accumulated bales in less time than it takes to load 1 trailer after all the single bales have been collected. It's not just time saved, but distance too. The telehandler has to travel approximately 1.5 kilometers in the field to clear a load of single bales, compared to as little as 200 meters loading the accumulated bales. Our demonstration also proved that the accumulated bales can be loaded better, as the telehandler does not have to drive across uneven ground to collect each single bale.
So, in summary, by operating a Parkland Bale Accumulator, you can satisfy the demands for controlled traffic on your land. You'll be clearing bales from your fields in the most quick and efficient way possible, and you'll be saving money on time, fuel, and wear and tear of your valuable machinery. The 455 model is just one of 4 machines in the Parkland Agro-Master Bale Accumulator range. The 443 and 445 are perfectly suited for 80 centimetre bales. The 445, however, can also be adapted to carry 3 120 centimetre bales. The 453 and 455 models are suited to carry 3 and 5 120 centimetre bales respectively. The accumulator is fully automated and can be operated by the onboard computer in the driver's cab. The hydraulic side wings can fold up so that the accumulator is no wider than the tractor or baler whilst in transportation. There are various added options that you can choose for your model of accumulator. Weigh scales give the facility for individual bale weight and accumulated totals for each field and season as a whole. The grass silage kit is available for the 443, 445 and 453 accumulator models. Twin-mounted wheels are available for the 443, 445 and 453 models, whilst they come as standard on the 455 model. The bale stop option is available on the 455 only. This facility is useful for preventing the bales from sliding around on side hills and undulating terrain. The low height of the Parkland Bale accumulators means that they can be coupled with any make of baler. The accumulator demands about 40 litres of oil per minute. That's a flow rate of between 25 and 30%. Whilst the accumulator is fully automated, for ease of use, the driver can also operate it manually. For more information on the range of Agro-Master Bale accumulators, talk to your Parkland dealer or distributor today.